Have you ever pressed your eyes closed and watched color explode in the dark? That's real. Your retina packs in over 100 million light-sensing cells, all firing at once. That's not an afterimage. Neuroscientists have studied this glitch for decades. It exposes a flaw in how your brain builds reality. But is your eye actually generating light, like a screen switching itself on? Then why does an astronaut in deep space see the same flash with no fingers involved? The answer involves a signal cells can't tell from light, and why doctors use that glitch to restore blind sight. Let's explore, right here on Just Body Things. Most people assume it's an afterimage, some leftover picture burned into your eyes from whatever you looked at last. That explanation feels right. It's also wrong. An afterimage fades slowly and keeps a shape. It looks like whatever you were staring at, just faint. What you see when you press your eyes has no shape, no object, just color and light, shifting and random. Stop pressing, and it vanishes instantly. An afterimage doesn't behave that way. Something else is happening. Go back to how you see anything at all. Light enters your eye and hits your retina, the thin layer of light-sensing cells lining the back of your eyeball. Those cells, called photoreceptors, turn light into an electrical signal. That signal travels down your optic nerve straight into your brain. Your brain never actually sees light. It only ever receives electrical signals. That's the whole system. Now press on your closed eyelid. You're not adding light, you're adding pressure. That pressure physically bends and squeezes the photoreceptors packed into your retina. A photoreceptor doesn't check what caused it to fire. It just fires. Think of a doorbell wired only to ring. It can't tell you whether a visitor pressed the button or a bird slammed into the door. It rings the same note either way. Your brain, hearing that ring, assumes the same thing every time. Someone's there. Light hit the eye. So when pressure sets off those cells instead of light, your brain still reads it as light. It has no way to check the source. It just renders what it's told. But here's what most people never notice. The light isn't random. Press gently on the outer corner of one eye. The flash appears on the opposite side of your vision. Press somewhere else, and the flash moves. Every point on your retina connects to one exact point in your visual cortex. That's the part of your brain that builds your sense of sight. Scientists call this map retinotopy. Squeeze one spot on your retina, and your brain lights up the one patch of vision wired to that exact spot. You're not just seeing random noise. You're seeing a literal map of your own eye, drawn in light, one pressure point at a time. Neuroscientists caught on to this decades ago, and they're using it right now to fight blindness. Some blind patients have a working visual cortex but damaged eyes. The camera is broken. The screen behind it still works. Researchers implant tiny electrodes directly onto that visual cortex. Skip the eye completely. Send electricity straight to the brain. The patient sees light, phosphenes, appearing exactly where the electrode fires, mapped across their entire field of view. Rub your eyes light and bionic eye light are the same trick. Pressure or electricity, it doesn't matter to your brain. It never asked for proof. This system misfires in bigger ways than a rubbed eye. Astronauts report phosphenes in deep space, triggered by cosmic radiation passing straight through their eyeballs. Boxers see them after a hit to the head. You can trigger a fainter version just by sneezing hard, which briefly shifts the pressure inside your eye socket. Same false alarm, a completely different trigger every time. So why would your body build a system this easy to fool? because catching real light matters more than avoiding false alarms. A photoreceptor that fires too easily costs you a few seconds of confusing color in the dark. A photoreceptor that fires too reluctantly could miss a predator, a threat, a real signal you needed. Evolution picked the cheaper mistake. Your eyes were never built to tell real light, apart from anything that presses the right cells the right way. They only have one output: light. Even when no light was ever involved. The lights behind your eyelids aren't your eyes malfunctioning. They're your eyes doing their one job with a false alarm they have no way to filter out. If your eyes just made more sense than they did 5 minutes ago, subscribe. New mystery, every day.